Well, in the wise words of Jim Morrison, can you feel it now that spring has sprung? Yes, we can, Jim. It's officially springtime here at the lot. It's a toasty 80 degrees here in Tennessee today, and we've got some interesting new rides on the lot. Got something from just about every era. And if you're new here, what I'm going to do is walk around the whole lot, show you all the new inventory. And while I'm walking the lot, I'm also going to show you all the existing inventory, just in case you missed it. Now, if you want to know how to put one of these rides in your garage, head on over to maplemotors.com. They've got all the information you need. Speaking of springtime, if you want to do some spring cleaning on your ride, I've compiled a list of detailing products, just like the ones that the Maple Motors crew uses to detail these rides. All you got to do is open up your phone's camera, point it at this QR code on the screen, click on that little link that pops up, and it'll take you to that list of products. First up, here's some current inventory: a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, priced at $37,900. Under the hood, you'll find a matching numbers 383, connected to an automatic transmission. Right next door is another absolute classic, a 1969 Pontiac GTO, priced at $34,900. Under the hood, you'll find a 400, connected to an automatic transmission. And next up, here's some new inventory: a 1970 Chevy El Camino, priced at $26,900. Let's take an exclusive first look at this new inventory. We're going to skip over this 71 because it's sold. Head on over to this 1966 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $32,900. This is some current inventory. It's got a 350 under the hood, connected to an automatic transmission. Right next door, we got 1 year newer, a 67 Chevy Chevelle, priced at $36,900. You'll find a 350 under the hood, connected to an automatic. Now, if you're looking for something a little newer with some horsepower, here's some new inventory: a 2004 Chevy Corvette, priced at $19,900. It said it's only got 49,000 miles. Let's check it out. Making our way to some more current inventory, a 1980 Pontiac Trans Am priced at $20.9. We're going to skip over this 72 Nova because it is sold. We're heading on over to some more current inventory, a 68 Chevy Camaro priced at $32.9. It's got a matching numbers 327 under the hood, connected to an automatic. And for red Camaros more your style, here we got a 67 Chevy Camaro priced at $35.9. This one's got a 350 connected to an automatic. You've got your choice of 67 Camaros. This one's a convertible. It's priced at $34.9. Under the hood, it's got a 305 connected to an automatic. Now this 66 Mustang is sold, but we got a 67 Fastback that's still available. It's priced at $47.9. All right, some more new inventory. Here we got a 1979 Chevy C10 priced at $15.9 for you truck guys. I doubt this one's gonna last long. Let's take a closer look. Back-to-back new inventory, another one for the truck guys. This one's a 1956 Chevy 3100, priced at $27.9. Let's take an exclusive first look. We got some new inventory in this row, but first let's check out this 1955 Chevy 210, priced at $31.9. It's got a good wrench 350 under the hood, connected to an automatic overdrive. Don't say you don't have options. Here we got a 1955 Chevy 210 priced at $32.9. It's got a 350 connected to an automatic. Some more current inventory, a 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova priced at $17.9. It's got a 283 under the hood connected to an automatic. Another El Camino, this one's a 1967, priced at $18.9. Under the hood, it's got a 283 connected to an automatic. And we're finishing out the row strong with some new inventory, a 1971 Plymouth priced at $27.9. Let's take an exclusive first look at this new ride. All right, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite of the week. Either way, it's going to be some entertaining test drives this week. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss these exclusive first looks at all the new inventory before they hit the market. Hope you guys have a good week. I'll see you next time.